What's going on, guys? Today we are reacting to Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 9, so let's jump right into the reaction. Okay, we're gonna be leaving Dolan. Oh, but Ben wants to go inside the dungeon again. No? Come on, man. Going in the dungeon was cool. What's he gonna hunt for? Ooh, okay. They're gonna team up together? Okay, so he's gonna make the sausage recipe. So, what about Sui? Sui's gonna help Madoka? But I said Madoka, not MUKOHDA. I'm so fucking dyslexic. Okay, I like this. I like how we're like, you know, kind of splitting off into two teams. Oh, okay. That's cool. Feels like, alright. So, hunting and sausage making. Bro, he is... like, I don't blame him at all. Like, he's taking full advantage of Sui creating these items. Like, bro, he's getting him to make everything. Good Sui, good Sui. Oh, shit. Yo. Bro, this is gonna, you already know it's gonna look so good. But I love the little noises Sui makes. Yo, what the fuck? Alright. I've never seen sausage has been made before, so this is interesting. Bro, straight off the grill? Oh, we didn't get to see? Oh, what the heck, man? I wanted to see them go hunting. Damn. Oh, they probably caught a bunch. Yeah. A full-on fucking saber-toothed tiger and a rhino? What the hell? Doro took down the saber tiger. Oh my gosh. Man, I can't believe they skipped that. I really wanted to see them fight. Holy shit, bro. Meat juice. Bro, Sui's just stuffing them down. The heck? Oh, the crunch. Oh, what's he getting, a beer? Yeah. Sausage and beer. Okay, so they are leaving. Oh, this was the day before. Damn. Don't forget your promise. What's your promise? Oh, dragons. Oh, okay. Bro, this guy is overly obsessed. Dude, if we got to see Fell versus a dragon, that would be insane. Like, bro, this guy gets, like, fucking turned on by this shit. Bruh. Hey, let's go. Another adventure. So this is like a transition into a new arc. Oh, dang. Everywhere he goes, he has to explain that they're his familiars. Oh, there's blood on it. Is it supposed to have blood on it? I guess so, yeah. What the heck? So what is this place called again? I know the elf said it earlier. Nichhoff. Okay. Okay, some new quests. 2 quests, okay. The extermination of the carnivorous plants known as evil plants. Okay, that's the first one. Extermination of Cyclopses that have appeared in the clay. Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah, what's a Cyclops? I guess they're not a threat to Dora. Alright, so they're gonna do it the next day. So hopefully we get to see it in this episode. This is a nice little town. I like this place. So they got a little guild right there. Bro, this guy has the tiniest mustache I've ever seen. What the heck? Oh, he's got some like scars on his cheek too. 7 to 10 days. Alright, that's not bad. Ooh, 3 places to choose from. 7 room, 13 room, or 10 room house. Okay. So what, is he gonna take the 7 room house? Ooh, a magic refrigerator? Okay. So I think he took the 7 room house. Oh my gosh, dude. It's a mini mansion. Oh, dude, that's so cool. Oh, that giant staircase. Dude, that's awesome. It's like a mansion. Bro, I just love how, like, chill this anime is. Like, the music just gives off the vibes and everything. Like, bro, this is really cool, like, this house. They're all, like, taking a nap. Homemade curry. Okay. First the onions, then the orc meat, potatoes, and carrots. Any scum? What the heck? That's 2 different types of curry in one? Oh, they start to smell it. Is this? I forget if it's supposed to have a lot of broth like that. Or I guess it's not as much if you scoop it out. Oh wow. Oh dude, that looks really good. I can't stop. Bruh. Since it's two different types of curry, it's probably even more spicy than normal curry. Bruh. The way they animated, so clean. They're all going to town, man. They're devouring that shit. Oh, time for the bath. I think Fel can fit in there too. Wait, can he? Oh, that's right, he's scared of baths. Oh, bro, they're gonna sneak up on him. Oh, what, just in the bathroom? Okay. Bruh. He's like, I got it. Oh, so he's his own sprinkler. Bro, his fur being like wet. Like, bro, he looks ridiculous. Oh, they're all about to get soaked. Yeah. I guess they're about to take a bath too anyway, so it doesn't even matter. Bro, he's so luscious. Luscious Phil. Why is the water green? Oh, he's even got pajamas too. Bro. Oh. Jump into the bed. Oh, okay, so yeah, we are getting this a little bit. Oh, two groups again. Same teams as yesterday. Alright, so they're getting the plants first, which they're probably a lot easier to handle than the, what was it, the Cyclops? Sui! Ooh, high-grade magic stones. Bro, I just love the format of this show. Like, it's just such a good format. Oh, was this weed killer? Is that what he's gonna test out? Uh-oh. It's something unexpected. Oh shit, it's like a piranha plant? Yo, that tongue is crazy. Oh shit! Yo, the little pew-pews! Hell yeah. Oh, there's multiple. Ew, the way they're fucking running. Come on, Sui. And my weed killer. Herbicide. Bruh. It worked too, didn't it? Hell yeah, let's go. Damn, how many are there? Bruh. He's got gloves on too. What the heck? Is this the leader? The strongest one? Oh my gosh. Or is that more than one? No, it's one. It's a three-headed one. Holy shit. He said, fuck that, and spray them. Oh, shoot. Dang. Get up, MUKOHDA. Come on, Sui. No, ain't no way that works. As simple as that. A couple sprays. Oh, he's got two of them. Double weed killer. Oh, there's the magic stones they dropped. Oh, that was so funny. him just using weed killer. Bro, why did they keep... Man. They keep skipping them fighting. I want to see them fight. They're not going to show them to us? Of course, I mean, of course it was going to be easy. So we wanted to go pew pew a lot more. Oh, they're just going to do the Cyclops too. Oh, that's probably next episode though. Now, are we going to see Fel and Dora fight them this time? Oh. Wait, they just beat it. Bro, why are they skipping it? Dang, man. I'd rather them focused on the fights with the Cyclops over the plants. He's a huge slime now. Giganticize? Fel's just already super strong anyway. Oh, another dungeon. Dora-chan is out. Oh, is MUKOHDA really gonna jump up? Yeah, because he got the blessing. Yep, he's now seeing it. Yep. Now he's putting the pieces together. Level up. Level up. Alright guys, that was Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 9. So pretty chill episode this time around. They're now here in Nichhoff. And so, bro, I really wanted to see the fights with Fel and Dora, but for some reason they skipped all of them. I don't know why, but they also skipped the fight with the Cyclops. Instead, you know, we focused on the... Instead, we focused on the fights with the plants. So... Man, I don't know why they did that. I wish it was the other way around, but hey, I still enjoyed the episode, and hopefully you guys did as well. Hopefully you enjoyed my reaction. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.